I started tiered link building. For example, I created one Web 2.0 site, not pointed to the money site until I build guest posts and other high authority links, around 250. After that, pointing to the money. So you're building 250 backlinks to the Web 2.0, and then you're going to point the Web 2.0 to your website.
Yeah, I mean, I would advise not buying a bunch of guest posts for your Web 2.0 personally.
I'd rather just send them to my website.
Typically, it's
Unless
like
they're
you
like
do
really
the
bad,
opposite.
you know, unless they're like kind of, you know, unless you're really not feeling good about the quality of these links. But 250 links to do tiered link building to,
Like
and,
quality links,
high
like,
authority links, like you
yeah.
said, to a Web 2.0 property, that's a lot.
Now, don't get me wrong, it might influence your Web 2.0 in the SERPs, or something like that. But yeah, I wouldn't think that's a very cost-effective way to do things. Typically, it's like you have a high-end editorial link or guest post, and you would tier link to that using things like Web 2.0s or not so expensive authority style links, right? Kind of natural pillowing type stuff, forum links, Web 2.0s, things like that.
Yeah. Um, yeah, I'm not really sure where to go with this question. But yeah,
Maybe give an example of tiered link building that we would do, I guess.
just like Nick was
Well, I guess
saying,
what we said, yeah.
250 links to do tiered link building with is quite a lot, unless you're doing some kind of like auto-generated, kind of more like black hat type stuff.
Yeah, just spammier things, yeah.
Yeah, which then it could be more something that could be of use. And yeah, like you're saying, that could work out. You're pointing kind of the more bad stuff at something that's good, the Web 2.0, and it kind of filters it out, right? And then you can link to your money site like that.
Right.
But yeah, kind of a little bit more advanced kind of black hat type link building if that's what you're doing. But if you're not doing that, if those are 250 good links, I would much rather just send them straight to my website. I don't really see too much of an advantage of doing what you're doing with that Web 2.0. Maybe save a handful of them and beef up some of your other editorial links you already have going to your website. Like Nick was saying, maybe you have a really good guest post or some really good just other editorial links already pointing to your site. Send a couple links at those and just just kind of beef them up a little bit. But 250 is quite a lot.
Yeah. Something else to just kind of jump on. So, you talk about it's not pointed at your money site until you build guest posts, et cetera, tiered link building to that Web 2.0. A Web 2.0, you don't really have to wait to shoot that at your money site. Like it makes sense unless you're doing like spun junk content and things like that. You want to treat your Web 2.0s like somewhat legitimate websites, right? In that the content is unique. It doesn't have to be top tier, but it has to pass like what a crawler would think is somewhat unique information. So yeah, I mean, like you can wait until it's got some kind of movement in the SERPs, or you can just point it immediately. I just felt like touching on
That's
that
a good point. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for links to our blog for more info on this topic, along with a bunch of other cool stuff like case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you enjoyed the video. Thanks and happy ranking.